Bonjour, messieurs et mesdames. Je m'appelle Ransford Gamele Klinogo. Today, we'll be looking at one of the most important verbs in the French language. It's called le verbe être. Verbe être. The verb to be. You use this verb to talk about who you are, sometimes what you do, and all that. And so it's very important. We look at it. But to be able to understand this verb and to use it well, we need to understand or know some pronouns that work with this verb. And so we will look at the first one, je. When you say je, you mean I. You are talking about yourself. Or you are talking to someone, tu, you, singular. Or you are talking about someone who could be a male. Il, he, or someone who could be a female. Elle, she, or a group of people of which you are a part. Nous, we, or a group of people who you are addressing. Vous, you, or a group of people that you are talking about and you are not part. Il. So, bon, voilà. Je, I, tu, you, il, he, elle, she, nous, we, vous, you, il, they, or elle, they. We use elle, they could be feminine. So this is they feminine, they masculine. Très bien. So now let's look at the verb. We call it conjugation. Conjugation means putting the verbs in the form that suit the subject. Okay, so je. When you say je, the verb être form we use is suis. So we can say je suis. You can add any other thing to it. Je suis enseignant. Je suis Ransford. Je suis docteur. So je suis. Or tu es. You are. You are. I am. You are. Tu es. Il est. He is. Elle est. She is. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. We are. Vous êtes. You are. Ils sont. They are. Elles sont. They are. So this is the basis. You can add profession, nationality, or names, your name to this, or names of people to this, to form basic sentences. In the next video, we'll be looking at some sentences with this. So let's go over again. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are. Take note, ils sont, elles sont, they are. But in French, they can be masculine. You're talking about a group of males. Ils sont docteurs. Ils sont enseignants. Elles sont, they are feminine. It can be a group of female, ladies, girls, women. Thank you. Stay with me.